everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Prin and in today's video I will be talking about a facial kit from Lotus Herbals. So I am talking about this one over here. This is the Lotus Herbals Radiant Party Glow Facial Kit. This is in the variant White, Peony and Argan, and this is specifically designed for skin brightening and de-tanning. Now I am someone who has major concerns when it comes to tanning because I get tanned very easily. I'm always tanned basically. Even right now also my forehead and face is completely tan. So I always try to look for products or look for skincare which will help me in brightening my skin and getting rid of the tanning that I have. And this facial kit over here is a very good product to use if you want to combat that. So let me talk about the details of this facial kit. So this is actually a big one. Once you open this, you get these individual kits like these, and I have four, actually a total of 4. So you get a total of 4 in this huge box over here, and once you open an individual facial kit, you actually have all the products that you need. I can see 4 tubes like so, and I also see a sachet. Now let me talk you through what are the products. So number 1 I can see is the Party Glow cleansing gel. So this is step number 1. Then step number 2 is the Detan Polisher. Then for step number 3 I have the Deep Cell Activating Serum, and for step number 4 I have the Brightening Facial Creme. So these are the 4 steps which comes in tubes like this, and then you have the sachet, and this is actually step number 5. This is the Algae Peel Off Mask. A very good thing about this facial kit is that it says that it is suitable for all skin types. So if you are from normal, dry, oily, combination, whatever skin type, you can completely go ahead and use these products. Now a very good factor about the packaging is that this is so travel friendly. So if you have like a special occasion and you need to travel and you do not have enough time to go to the salon, or you do not have a time at home, then you can just carry this and you can quickly do it before you get ready. It will just take maybe 10 to 15 minutes of your time, and you will have a beautiful brightened skin. I'm going to take you guys through all the steps, and I'm going to show you how to use it. These tubes are 10 grams each, so you can use it more than once, I'm sure. And the sachet over here is 20 grams, so I think even the sachet is going to last more than single use. So let me quickly get on with the steps one by one. First step is definitely cleanser, where you're supposed to clean your face. So this cleansing gel gently removes the makeup residue, pollutants and impurities from the skin, and it also prepares the skin for the next step, which is step number 2. You're supposed to apply this cleansing gel on your face and neck and massage in a circular motion. Then you can rinse thoroughly with water or clean it with moist cotton. Step number 2 is the Detan Polisher. The Detan Polisher is actually a scrub which will scrub away the dead cells and loosen blackheads and whiteheads. It also gives a smooth detanned finish to the face. You are supposed to apply this on moistened skin and massage in circular motion for 3 to 4 minutes. Then you can rinse thoroughly or clean with moist cotton. Moving on to step number 3, which is the Deep Cell Activating Serum. This serum comes in the form of a potent which has natural actives enriched in a unique mix of serum plus oil. It penetrates deeply into the skin, it works on dark spots, and then gives a result of bright and translucent skin. Just take 5 to 7 drops and apply it on the face and keep massaging for 2 to 3 minutes. You do not need to wipe your face for moving on to the next step. In the 4th step, we are supposed to apply the Brightening Facial Cream. This is an ultra-rich facial cream that smoothens the skin and helps to carry the natural actives deep inside the epidermal layer to provide even-toned, lighter complexion. A relaxing massage while applying this cream will help in improving blood circulation and lymphatic drainage of the skin. Take this creme and massage on face and neck in circular and upward motion for 10 to 5 minutes. Remove with damp cotton. Now once you're done with all the 4 steps, you move on to the final step, which is the Algae Peel Off Mask. This peel off mask resets the tired, dull looking skin. Its firming effect helps reduce the puffiness on face and leave the skin perfectly moist and glistening. Take 20 grams of the mask and add 45 to 50 milliliter of water and mix well. Apply immediately on face and neck and let it dry. You can remove it after 15 to 10 minutes. So those were the 5 easy, simple and quick steps which you need to follow if you want to get a brightening and detanned facial like this at home or at wherever you please. Now this facial kit over here is enriched with the goodness of white peony and argan oil, and it helps to brighten your skin from within. It also helps in lightening the dark spots and reduces the damage caused to your skin by sun. Now this over here I feel is also a very good gifting option to your friend who might have a special occasion coming up, maybe say like a birthday or an engagement or even marriage. You can definitely give this to your friend as well. This product is completely paraben free. So if you have liked this video, please make sure that you check the description box if you want to know in more details about this product over here. You'll find the link and a special coupon code for all of you down in the description box. You can also check out Lotus Herbal's YouTube channel for more information. If you have liked this video, do give me a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. I have a small announcement to make, which is the fact that very soon I will be hosting a giveaway in the month of November because it is my birthday month. So it is going to be a birthday special giveaway and there will be exciting goodies for all of you. So stay tuned to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram. My handle is Mystically Mrin because I'm very active on Instagram and I have exclusive content on Instagram which is not uploaded here on YouTube. So you are missing out a lot of things. Make sure you follow me on Insta as well. I'll be seeing you guys super soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye.